Why is using crutches so darn hard?
Oh.
Maybe you weren't set up correctly. Learn how to next. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. Let's get to the how-to of crutches. Positioning is the key. There are two major questions to answer. Where do the crutches go in the arm, and where should my wrist position be? Placement is always at the inner bicep. Why? To help avoid the nerves and circulation. Plus there's a little bit more meat there. Remember, don't lean on it as if you are supporting all your weight. If you do it right, you shouldn't feel the need to. The position of your grip should always be at the cuff or wrist line. The purpose is to rely on a stronger tricep muscle. When pushing, keep the wrist in neutral like this, and elbows bent about 15 to 30 degrees. Now, how do you use it when walking or ambulating? Let's use the right leg as the injured leg. Always leave the crutches around 18 to 24 inches in front and slightly outward. The crutch should ideally land where your toes begin or at the metatarsal break. If you are non-weight bearing on one leg, the only strategy we can consider is a 3-point gait. Within the 3-point gait strategy, we can do a swing to and a swing through method. Swing to. You swing your weight-bearing leg to the crutch for the leg to land right around your metatarsal break or where the toes begin. Swing through. This is to help you get around a little faster, and you would essentially swing through the fixed crutches that are planted ahead of you, like a kid on a swing. So let's get to how to use the stairs with your crutches. I know we don't get out of the office much, but you may have noticed we're not in the treatment room today. If this staircase looks familiar to you, it's because we have definitely shot another video here before. You might recognize it from our how to walk up and down stairs videos. If you want to go back and recap those to see the foundation of walking up and downstairs before you see how it changes with crutches, you can find the link in the description below. When encountering stairs, remember the phrase, up with the good and down with the bad. Good people go to heaven and bad people go to hell. When going up, you always need a stable base. Use the rail if you can and tuck both crutches underneath your free arm. In instances where there's no rail, you leave the crutches on the lower step and push the good leg forward and up. When coming down, if you have the rail, use it and tuck both crutches underneath the free arm. When you come down, use the crutches in front as a braking mechanism and come down cautiously. If there's no rail, use the same strategy of crutches going down first. Please give this strategy a try and see if it helps. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.